We'll do a lesson on solving radical equations. I'm going to go ahead and work out a couple of examples. So the key here is to get rid of the radical so that you can get the variable out of the square root and then solve it. So we're going to start by undoing what's been done. Here I have a square root. The opposite of a square root is squared. So I'm going to square this side and square that side. A square and a square root will cancel out. So I have 3x equals negative 9 squared, which is negative 9 times negative 9. That would be a positive 81. And I divide both sides by 3 to get x equals 27. It's really important when you're solving radical equations to check your solution because not all solutions will work. To check it, you're going to go back to the original problem. And I'm going to plug in 27 in place of the x. So I have 3 times 27 equals negative 9. 3 times 27 is 81 equals negative 9. Square root of 81 is 9, which does not equal negative 9. These are not the same thing. Therefore, I cannot use this solution. If I had another one to plug in, I would have plugged it in, but I don't. So my answer here will be no solution. Let's look at this one. So for this one, first I need to bring the negative 4 to the other side because it's not under the square root. So you have to completely isolate your square root before you start. So we're going to add 4 on both sides. So I get 3x minus 5 equals 0 plus 4 is 4. Now that my radical is isolated, I'm ready to square this side. If I square the left, you must square the right. And square and the square will cancel out. So I have 3x minus 5 equals 16. Add 5 to both sides to get 3x equals 21. Divide by 3 and you will get x equals 7. So let's go ahead and check to make sure that the 7 will actually work. The original equation was 3x minus 5 minus 4 equals 0. Plug in that 7, so you get 3 times 7 minus 5 minus 4 equals 0. 3 times 7 is 21 minus 5, 4 equals 0. 21 minus 5 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So in this case, 0 does equal 0, so it made my equation true. Therefore, the answer is x equals 7.